This juvenile Cooper's hawk showed up as we were walking past the elementary school and started chasing the crows.
Two of them.
Two of them. Oh my goodness. One's an adult and one's a juvenile, it looks like. Parent and child. The top one looks to be the parent, and the one on the second bar down is the offspring. Maybe they were hunting together. Well, how about that? Very good.
Good morning, Kim. How are you doing?
Good morning.
How are you?
We're doing great.
I can see that, but just wanted to update you about your kitten.
No, that's your kitten.
Yeah, I know.
Actually, that's Peter's kitten.
I gotta tell you.
Got fluffies. The sun is shining, at least for now. We have clouds kind of rolling in. So, had to clean Fluffy's water dish. It was filthy. And Newbie was over there. I believe Newbie is male. Fluffy and Newbie eating at their respective plates. Newbie decided, no, I want to go join her, help her. Okay, we have Collie here at the Lutheran Church this morning. Jay spotted her. Right to the treats. Yes, you're a pretty girl. Okie dokes, we're going to head on. Good morning, everyone. We're just arrived at Alvisa Adobe Park and we're greeted by the turkeys that are here. Hi, good morning. Good morning. This is Missy here. She knows what Jay carries. He's her guy. And the other ones just stick around near Missy because they know if she gets fed, they'll probably get fed too. We have Missy and her siblings, I think. Yeah, Missy and her two siblings. Just alrighty. That's mine. Give it back.
Yeah, each of you got one.
She says, I want more.
Yeah, each of you got 2.
Okay, we're gonna go up and get the picnic area all set up. And Missy will follow Jay. Okay, we have Mark down. He's going to get one of the mealworms. Song Sparrow down. He'll take one of the mealworms. No, he didn't. Second Song Sparrow down. Took cat food. Song Sparrow back. Taking mealworm. Yes? Yes.
No, I'm wrong. 3.
Hi, Missy. How you doing? Is you good enough to eat? Yeah, the worms are all gone. 'Cause you ate them all. I have a jackrabbit on the eastern hillside. We're watching him dashing across the field. Love those long ears. Beautiful jackrabbit. He's over there. Back at Fluffy since she's here. Hi. Hi, hi. Waiting for her treats. Very good. Okay, we have Blue Jay down. We have 2 acorn woodpeckers up on Bear Top Tree in front of the Last Bird Ranch. They're up there.